Check out Chris's custom camper.
As I said, an 8 by 14, so this is the vast culinary area. These cabinets were replacement cabinets that I bought from a guy that was ripping out his house and tearing out his kitchen. And 110 step down with a 12 volt. I have one in here and one in the bathroom.
He's got a projection screen.
Yes.
This is too cool.
Yeah, I got a deal on it. It was 160 bucks. My son found it for me on Amazon. They're normally around 260. I bought the screen for 50 bucks. I mounted up there on, so that's the view side. This is a bed.
This extra part.
Yeah, and so what it is it's a storage. I have another box that goes there and it slides out. It allows you, then you put your pillows up here and then you sleep in that direction.
Okay.
Right? It's also used for storage underneath. If I can just pull that out of the way. It's a full-size bed, and as I think I mentioned to you before, I put slats in there to allow for airflow, because a lot of people have had problems with putting plywood down.
And drawers underneath.
And, yeah, all the drawers underneath. This is our dining room table, which once I haven't finished this bit, but it works out really well. You know, it's comfortable, and I like it. And you know, so you've got to make it homey, and this is really for me what makes the difference.
How tall are you?
6'2".
Yeah.
I like that extra bit of height, and the 8-foot width makes all the difference. You know, I mean,
It does.
if you're planning on living in that space, if you're camping in it, I think that's one thing. But you know, spending 3 or 4 months in the space, I need that.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
and if there's 2 of you, you know, someone's going to get pissed off at you. You really have to be able to at least get 6 feet away. I had a custom shower built. We have a stainless steel shower base, and these are all stainless steel sides. It's hot water combination. It's good and solid. Won't rot, won't rust.
And then compost toilet.
It's organic, and I hate to use that word sometimes, but it really is. It grows. So you go, you know what I need? I need a table that folds out from the side, out back. You know, you asked about the cargo carrier in the back. Originally, I was going to put a deck there that folds up onto the back, so I could fold it down to a 4x8 deck. But you know, it's about weight, it's about distribution. You know, the new growth in camping, I think.
Yes.
You know, when you walk through this campsite, you see these $100,000, $120,000 cabins, and you go, wait a minute, this grew out of me sleeping in the back of my truck at this very campsite last year.
Really?
Yeah, and it was, I need to do something better, and I need to be able to bring my family. And I don't like tents. You know, it works as a spare room, and it isn't as invasive as a large 36-foot trailer, but to me encompasses everything a 36-foot trailer has. I couldn't want any more than I have in here, which is extraordinary. I didn't think that was how it was going to feel when I first did this trip.
Great experience with this tour. And I don't know if you saw the one video. I feel like it's a community when we all meet up with these conversions. It's an awesome experience.
It is,
really.
and it's apolitical. It's social.
True.
It's apolitical. It doesn't involve religion. It doesn't revolve around anything else other than, holy crap, look at that camper. And can I look in there?
Yes.
You know, and there's nothing more complimentary than having someone come up and say, can I have a look inside your camper? You walked into my home. You know, I was just about to start making stuff so I could go to the beach. You know, by the way, I didn't point this one out, but this is also the greatest thing. This pulls out its own slide. It's freaking awesome. You can never have enough table space, by the way. You know that. That's
Chris did sell his camper shortly after this video was filmed. Check out Chris's next project, a 1977 Trillium.